So guys, good afternoon. It's beautiful sunny Mazatlan. Gosh, it's spoiled down here. Rarely a cloudy day, let alone a rainy day. And I'm walking down to the Black Diamond Billiards because it's Tuesday. It's been an interesting day today. I actually get told off today. That doesn't happen very often. I used to make a living telling people where to go and how to fucking get there and when to do it. I don't do that anymore. But yeah, I took the criticism. I've been thinking about it. Probably some of it was deserved, so yeah, we're not all perfect. We all make mistakes. I think I fucked up and made one, and I get told about it. So, kind of interesting. But I had a good day today. I should warm up. Hola, amigos.
Hey, ¿cómo está?
Ah, todo bien. ¿Usted?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. ¿Qué pasó?
Motorcycle accident.
Oh, damn. Yo tengo 50 años en motos. Sí.
You know better, so.
Ya. 10 años pasados yo fui a Canadá de Argentina en mi moto.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. Oh my God.
What's your name again?
Dewey.
Louis. You know me, Ricky.
Ya, sí, Ricky. ¿Es su esposa?
Yeah, mi esposa. Mari.
Mari. Mucho gusto, Mari. Yeah. Lima, Peru.
Lima, Peru.
Don't ride your motorcycle there.
Oh, I believe you.
What a crazy city.
Be honest to you, I don't like motorcycle, but I had to use it once in a while, and this guy, I was a drone driver or something, they run over me. So.
Ah, shit. I had a last bike I had was a KTM 990, big, powerful bike, you know. And I rode it from Canada to here and back 3 or 4 times. But when I was in Mazatlan, I wouldn't ride it. Like, the traffic's too freaking crazy.
And the drivers, well, what do you expect? You know, we don't have a traffic school. That's what it is. You know?
Exactly.
Traffic education, or you know.
And at one time, I said to a past girlfriend, I said, I should open up a motorcycle safety course. And she says,
no, you can buy the license on Facebook. That's,
yeah.
And that's not fair for the other people.
No. And I watched the young guys on little motos. They don't have a clue about motorcycle safety. Like,
they run on the right and the left. They go like.
Oh yeah, go to the right around the bus. Oh Jesus.
They're crazy. Yeah, they're
scares the shit out of me.
I'm telling you.
Guys, oh well, what are they saying? You don't need a cast.
They just take it out a couple days ago. They just take it out. I got another 4 weeks so I can do baby steps, and then after that I'm gonna do therapies.
Yeah.
Well,
I've had feet injuries in the past. Therapy works well, so just do what they tell you. Ricky, Maria.
One day at a time.
Exactly.
María, sonríe porque es un video. Vamos a leer en YouTube.
At least you're alive and breathing. Yeah.
Good to see you, my friend.
Good to see you guys. Dewey's here. Oh,
Nice, Jack.
good shot.
Hey, Dewey. That was a terrible shot.
Hello there.
That was terrible.
How are you, Jaime?
Not too bad, Dewey.
Hit that like button.
Yeah. Hit the share and the like button.
Then is Eli. Where's Eli?
I don't know. Film this.
Oh, he's here. Okay.
Watch this.
Watch this.
I'm gonna watch
I'm gonna
it.
make this three ball come right back here. Put her on film.
Yeah.
Ah! Damn it, that was close.
Close. You had the right idea.
Darwin's on me. How you doing?
Ivan, how are you, man?
Good, man. How are you?
Good, good.
Good.
Staying out of trouble. Muchos gringos. Brian, yeah, he's a great waiter. How you doing, John?
How you doing, my man? How are you?
Good to see you. So, this is the Black Diamond Billiards on a Tuesday afternoon. Oh, there's Eli. Okay. Hola, Brian.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás? And sit down and have a beer. Watch the show. Thanks for watching, guys.